In this democratic institution, when we disagree, we vote. When we have rules, we follow the rules. The particular rule in amending the rules is 136. We're following that. So why are we using unparliamentary language?
Diba? Unparliamentary yun eh. Ano to? Brasuhan? What is this railroading? Buti pa si Kiko Pangilinan kahit papano kasi pag English medyo maganda pakinggan eh. Parang professional. Pero pagka wala talagang pinag-aralan yung nag-aral ka sa school bukol, yung putyang ina niyan, yung tumanda ka ng paurong. Ang ganyan eh. Angas-angas na lang eh. Puro angas na lang. Ano, brasuhan? Brasuhan?
To express or try to provoke the kind of argument we don't want between the majority and minority. You have your opinion, we respect that, we have our opinion. So how do we resolve that? By voting. Now, if you think we violated the rule, then go to court. But we do not think that we violated the rule. It is very clear. So my point of order, Madam Chair, they're out of order by insisting that there's another rule except for 136. So I move that we vote on it, Madam Chair. We divide the House.
Objection. Objection.
If there's an objection, then we vote. So may we proceed with the vote, Madam President?
Mr. President, I was earlier
Ang galing ni ano, ang galing ni Pangilinan, ay ni ano. We are in a democracy. If there is a misunderstanding, we vote. Plain and simple. It happened, it's happening in the Congress. It happened before. Ganun talaga. Kaya nga marami kayong miyembro eh. Kaya nga paramihan kayo ng kaibigan eh. Kasi kung sino may pinakamaraming kakampi, yun ang malakas ang loob. O ngayon, mas marami sila Cayetano. Di ba nung nakaraan, ganun din naman kayo. Mas malakas kayo, mas marami kayo. Eh, the tides are, the tides shifted already in favor of the new majority. You have objection? Let's vote. You think na mali kami? Just file a case in court. Di ba ganun ganun si General Torre? Papasok ako sa ayaw at sa gusto ninyo. Sir, ang warrant of arrest mo, Silvia Simañez. Hindi naman para kay Pastor. Hindi naman taga rito si Silvia Simañez. Nakalagay dyan, Pasig. Bakit nandito kayo sa Davao? Hindi ito ang tamang panahon para mag-usap tayo sa mga legalidad. Kung may reklamo kayo, magdemanda na lang kayo. Di ba? Ganun kayo? Ganun gobyerno. Ganyan na ganyan yung sinabi ni Torre noon. Nandun ako sa harap niya. Kaya nga putang ina, gigil na gigil ako sa kanya kasi satanas talaga. Mantakin mo, lalabag siya sa batas, sabi niya. Pero, wala akong pake kung labag sa batas to. Susugurin ko kayo in 30 minutes, papasukin ko kayo, wawarakin ko yung mga dingding ninyo. In 30 minutes. So, sabi niya ganun. Kung may reklamo kayo, just file it in court. Ganun. Ganyan na ganyan yung ginagawa ni ngayon, di ba? Ni Cayetano. Nagagalit kayo? Ba't nagagalit kayo? Bakit si Torre hindi kayo nagalit, no?
it was the manifestation of the presiding officer, the Madam Chairperson, that after Senator Lacson, I be allowed to speak, Mr. President. Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Ang putyang ina, ito naman, umipal naman, pa-main character naman to. Right to speak, syempre, si Lacson nagsalita. Syempre, may magdidebate kay Lacson, hindi mo naman ididebate si Lacson, ba't ka magsasalita? Ganun muna yun. Di ba, si Lacson. Sabi ni Lacson, ako pa may hawak ng floor. Ayaw ko pa mag-yield sa'yo. So magsasalita pa ako. Sabi naman nung isa, sige, pagkatapos mo, si Kiko Matching. Laki ng mata, galit na galit. Ang lilisik na naman yung mata nito. Hindi na naman yata nakainom to ng Valium. Siyempre may sinasabi si Lacson. Siyempre yung mag-o-oppose, yung kadebate, sasagot muna yun bago ikaw. Sasagutin mo ba yung sinabi ni Lacson? Sasang-ayunan mo lang naman yung sinabi ni Lacson eh. Di dapat pakinggan muna yung debate kay Lacson. Anong kinagagalit mo? Curtailing of Ikaw masyado kang iyakin. Putang ina ninyo mga dilawang kayo, masyado kayong iyakin. Ayayabang ninyo pero mga iyakin kayo. Ang hilig ninyo gumawa ng eksena. Putang ina ninyo ang dadrama nyo. Kakausap mo yun sa asawa mo na dramatic actress, iyak ng iyak kahit wala naman nakakaiyak. Parang mga may topak na tong mga to eh.
Madam Chair,
We are not able to ask questions as to why we are amending the rules. We are not able to ask questions as to who they wish,
Madam Chair, may I answer?
who will benefit from the amendment to the rules.
For the
Is this
kind
rule, Mr.
information
President?
of
Is this
the-
rule, Mr. President, for
I was
Senator
about to
Bato, who is not
recognize
here?
Senator
We would like to
Sigaw ng sigaw kasi to putang ina nito eh. Siguro lagi sinisigawan ni Sharon to kaya gumaganti dyan. Mga bingi ba kayo sa bahay nyo? Ba't sigaw ka ng sigaw? Tingin na nito. Sobrang laki ba ng bahay nyo? Nag-uusap kayo 1 kilometro layo kaya yung boss mo ang lakas-lakas lagi? Wala naman nagko-curtail sa sa malayong pagpapahayag mo. Kayo nga'y mahilig magdemanda eh. Anak ng tinapay ikaw. Eh, syempre nagdidebate yung dalawa. Gusto mo sumali. Di umakbay. Sumampa ka kay Lacson. Sa mic ni Lacson habang nagsasalita siya, magsalita ka rin, putang ina mo. Napakatanga mong tao ka.
These valid questions, Mr. President, before we go into a vote, Mr.
Madam Chair.
President.
Yes,
These,
Madam
we
Chair.
should not be...
How can the presiding officer recognize Senator Pangilinan? Please know that I would never curtail your right to speak. Just as
Kurtel yung right to speak, putang ina, salita nga siya ng salita. Bobo tong putang inang Kiko Pangilinan na ito eh. Nakakapagsalita ka, kung kinortel yung right to speak mo, tinahisa na yung bibig mo. Gago, hindi ka naman pinasakan sa bunganga. Salita ka pa rin naman ng salita, kahit nagsasalita sila, salita ka ng salita. Sigaw ka pa ng sigaw, wala ka namang kaaway. Ngayon to, iyakin masyado. Antayin mo yung time mo. Nagmamadali ka eh. May pupuntahan ka? Ha? Natatai ka?
in 2004, I believe you were seated. And I was a vice presidential candidate of FPJ then, and my microphone was closed, and my right to speak was closed, was not given. I remember that time now, and the word noted was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you. And I'm not curtailing your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan, except that you were speaking at the same time.
Yan eh, masyado ka madaldal po ng ina mo. Atribido ka. Nag-uusap pa, sabat ka ng sabat, putang ina mo ka, wala naman may gusto makinig sa'yo. Tarantado ka eh.
And I was about to recognize you because Senator Lacson had the floor.
Thank you, Madam President, for
So
that
I just wanted to be clear on record because I
If-
recognize you're being emotional, but it will go on Senate record that the presiding officer was curtailing your right to speak. I would never do that, and I would not do what I experienced in 2004 in the House of Representatives in the canvassing of the votes then.
Mr. President,
Thank you.
Madam President, with due respect, Mr. President, I was not referring to the
Madam
presiding
President,
officer.
Yeah, I'm yielding the floor to Senator Pangilinan.
Yes.
Yun, tapos, poking ina mo ka. Hindi pa binibigay sa'yo yung, yung floor, puta, salita ka na ng salita eh. Kupal ka eh. Ang ina ka, gusto mo palang magsalita, eh, di sana, kinausap mo yung sarili mo sa salamin. Okay nang inan to, pal. Walang iya, kulang sa aruga, ang putaragis na yan. Oy, Sharon, alagaan mo nga tong mister mo, utang inan yan. Nagwawala dito, oh. Ano bang ginawa mo? Hindi mo pinakain ng hamon yan? Hindi mo pinaamoy yung kilikili mo dyan? Bakit hay na hay yung ulol na yan?
Thank
you.
you, Senator Lacson. We recognize Senator Francis Pangilinan.
Yes, Mr. President, and I allow me to clarify, Madam President. I was not referring to the presiding officer in terms of the curtailing of my.
Tangina mo, siyang kausap mo kanina, sinungaling ka. Sabi mo, is being curtailed. Eh, siya yung nagtatawag ng mga tao kung sino yung magsasalita eh. So ngayon, bumabawi ka na. Yan mga abnormal, no? Matitindi yung mga tama sa utak nito, no?
Of my right to speak and to raise questions, Mr. President, because it was the Senate President who was moving to divide the House, Mr. President, without sufficient debates. Mr. President, this is the first time I'm going to experience this in a long time wherein debates are now being curtailed because there's a
Since you're
motion
not
to
being
divide the
curtailed,
House.
we would like to hear your objection to the motion. Thank you.
Drama eh. Puro ka kasi drama. Sige na, magsalita ka na. Andayin mo palabok. Salita ka na. Yun lang naman gusto mo.
Mr. President, there are a lot of questions that have to be raised as to why this
I-question mo na, putaragis ka. Andayin mong intro eh. Intro voice ka. Singer ka ba ni Paco Aris Pakutsyaga? Puro ka intro. Andayin mong gustong oras. Tapos puro ka paligoy-ligoy.
amendment to the rules is being undertaken at this time. President provides, Mr. President, that when we amend our rules, we do so by way of resolution. We do not have that resolution now. In fact, Mr. President, a total 48 amendments of our rules all went through resolutions. This is the first time after 48 amendments, Mr. President, that we do not have a resolution so that we can
Point of
vote
order, Madam Chair.
and amend the rules properly, Mr.
Point
President.
of order. Point of order takes
Yes,
precedence.
Lang pala sasabihin mo, utang ina ka, dahil mo pang umiiyak-iyak ka pa, tirex mo na lang sana. Tanga ka talaga eh. Basta dilawan talaga, bobo eh.
Senate President. Point of order,
Yes.
President.
First of all, I hope we learn that.
Ito, ayun, itong ina, kakatakot oh. Mukhang kukula, mamputaragis, parang mambabarang eh. Tayo na, naglulupang hinirang na si tanga oh, nakagano na siya, bayang magiliw. Okay na kinan to, baliw. Ganito yung anti... Ganito yung anti mong madamot, ayaw magpahiram ng plancha eh. Puta, pag naghiram ka ng plancha, ante, pahiram ng plancha. Anong plancha, ha? Hindi kayo bumili ng plancha nyo. Hiram kayo ng hiram. Paano na lang pag wala kami? Ano, mabubuhay pa ba kayo? Ina itsura nito, parang papatay ng tao. Gigil na gigil. Hindi pa nagsasalita yan. Galit na galit na.
lesson. Senator Pangilinan already apologized to Senator Padilla, then now you're shouting at us. No, no, the record will show, naka-tape naman eh, ang taas-taas ng boses nyo eh. Di ba? You were shouting at kaya nga hindi magkarinigan. Now, what's my point of order? We are not discussing the merits yet of the amendment. No one's curtailing your rights because wala pa tayo dun eh. Ang pinagbobotohan natin ngayon, kung pwedeng i-take up sa floor o hindi. Yun ang itinatake up natin. And the arguments have already been laid out. And Senator Pangilinan and I were together in 2009 where we had debates here where Senator Enrile did not even allow amendments. And then we voted. It depends on every issue, Madam Chair. There's no specific rule of the amount of time. I was asking the gentleman about certain issues in one resolution. He refused nga for further interpellation and said it's time to vote. They were the majority. So, Madam Chair, we're here. We're willing. Senator Marcoleta is ready to take questions. Ang pinagbobotohan lang po natin ngayon, simple lang. Whether or not we can take, whether or not the proposal to amend the rules is in order. Yung pa lang ho. Yung specific amendment, sino magbe-benefit, paano magbe-benefit, etc. We support the right of Senator Pangilinan to ask questions, pero wala pa tayo dun eh. So,
Doon pa lang nga, yun lang. Iti-take up. Tapos gusto nila sa Lunes na. Kasi nga syempre maraming mangyayari yun. Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo. Pucha, may mga gapangan na mangyayari na naman yan. Gagawa na naman sila mga propaganda niyan. Yun palang pagbobotohan. Klaro ang pagbobotohan kung iti-take up ba sa floor o hindi. Yun lang. Ba't umiiyak kayo? Hindi pa naman yung mismong pagbobotohan is yung gusto ni Marcoleta na makaboto yung yung mga makukulong if there is any. Doon, yun. Wala pa doon. Magdidebate pa doon.
again, may I raise the previous question, Madam Chair, the point of order, the parliamentary reason. Go ahead.
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pagdama palakpakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala kaming